Hello traders, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install our software. You will have multiple ways to download our software. First is directly from our website, or if you get the download link from Dropbox, that opens up the Dropbox folder. I'm going to show you how to do that. The other one is just a normal download, just a click on a link, it downloads, and this one opens up the Dropbox. So with the Dropbox, it's one more step. You either click the download from here or you click the download from here. Once you select everything, it will start downloading, and once it's completed, make sure you go to the place where you actually downloaded your file. Okay, so now once we're done downloading, we will go to the folder, and to install it, all you have to do is double click on the installer like you normally would on any other installer. And then all you have to do is click install. Now, you can either launch it when you're ready after it's done installing, or you can just not launch it and open it up a little bit later on. So once you hit install, it's going to run through the steps. It should be fairly quick. And this will be installed as an app on your Windows machine, either a Windows 10 or a Windows 11 machine. That's it for this video. See you guys in the next videos showing you how to actually use the Trade Copier. Thanks so much. Have a good one. Bye.